Hey guys! So, I'm going to show you a really cool trick with this curvy straw. Crap, hold on. That was bad. Hold on. Did you guys see that? Yeah, that's a really cool trick that you can do with the curvy straw. Not with water, because if you use water it won't work. Okay, so the next video is a room tour. Bye!